Wake up early in the morning just to go and count it. Wake up early in the morning just to go and count it. I got clientele, I got clientele. I got clientele, I got clientele. I got clientele, I got clientele. I got clientele, I got clientele.
Bust a bag, then drop it on the scale. Get it packed, next day through the mail. For 12, don't wanna go to jail. Hit a block in the fuse, raise hell. Got 30 act nights in the freezer. High tech rig, got about a liter. iPhone 2-way in the beat. Yeah, my trap say jumping off the meter. Trap say booming, yeah, that's what he say. If a trap really booming, take you out like a pay. In the spot all day on the phone, making plays in the kitchen, 3 skills, 4 stones, no play. Bring the pack to your house, you ain't even gotta wait. Double bag and seal, you don't even gotta wear. The iFriend 3 packs, you ain't even gotta pay. Just move real fast with the bread in this day. Cause I got clientele, moving through the mail. The dope it come in bills, double package like you sell. I don't need no scale, keep it right, it's on the sale. I got to drink as well.
Hi guys, आज चाहिँ हामी यहाँ नेपाली कार कम्युनिटी सबैजना बाइक राहरू सबैजना भेटघाट गरेर एउटा मिटअप गरेको छौँ ओलम्पिक पार्कमा। हामीसँग यहाँ सुप्रा छ पछाडि अनि जिटिआर RS4 पेनिकल AP4 मेरो 86 भयो अनि त्यसपछि केटाहरूको गाडीहरू। So guys, thank you so much for watching. यो भिडियोमा चाहिँ म धेरै बोलेको छैन किनकि म त्यस्तो कन्फिडेन्ट पनि थिएन अनि के बोल्ने भइरहेको थियो अनि जस्ट भिडियोहरू बनाइरहेको थिएँ। अनि यो भिडियोमा चाहिँ तपाईहरुले लाइक कमेन्ट है अनि फलो गरेर सपोर्ट गर्नु होला अनि त्यसपछि तपाईहरुलाई कस्तो कस्तो कन्टेन्टहरु हेर्नु मन छ भन्नु है। So I'm very much interested in making videos, so I can give you very like good contents. अनि just मेरो चाहिँ फिट मोटो छ है पेजको च्यानलको नाम फिट फर फिटनेस एन्ड मोटो फर मोटो स्पोर्ट्स। सो आई विल बी कभरिङ बोथ फिटनेस एन्ड मोटो ब्लगिङ है त। सो अलराइट द्याट्स अल, थ्याङ्क यू सो मच अगेन, फलो चाहिँ गर्नु है।